Hello. So this is where the user will land, and according to their task, they are currently unsatisfied with their current job and would like to find something that feels more fulfilling. And they have been looking through different job listings online, but feel like they still don't know what to do. And so they land on this website to help figure out their next move. And so when they land on this website, they'll be here, and then they kind of want to know a little bit more about Avenida, so they go ahead and press down and they can navigate through a little bit more of what Avenida is, a little bit more explanation, and from there they can go ahead and get started. As they get started, they can create their account. They can either put their Google, Apple ID, or Facebook, or they can sign up through here. So they'll go ahead and press create account. So they'll from here they'll put their first name, last name, date of birth, zip code, and gender. And after they create their account, they get to create their own avatar, their Avenida representation. They can scroll through here and select their avatar. They can either skip or select. Now from here, they land on their dashboard. They can access their assessment, or through this, they can also see their prominent traits, but right now they don't have a prominent trait because they never filled out their assessment. And they can also look at possible jobs. Um, they don't have a specified job because they haven't filled out their assessment, but they can learn more about these different jobs that just pop up. But let's go ahead and fill out the assessment. Through this, they can go through a quick 10 question assessment, or they can go through a detailed 70 question assessment. But for sake of time, they'll go through the quick 10 question assessment. And from here, they're reminded that they don't need to consider their money or their education to answer these questions. Now, they'll be going through these 10 different questions according to a grading system from strongly disagree to strongly agree. And so they'll go ahead and go through it. But they can also go back if they don't like their answer by clicking the progress bar. But they continue to click on these buttons. And from here, they get the summary of their answers. And if they feel satisfied with it, they'll press submit. Through here, they finally get their top 3 traits that they can see and navigate their careers based on these traits. And through the assessment, they can get their top career suggestions based on these matches, 96% match, 85 and 71. And they can also get more results about their assessment. They can get their 6 personality types in the Holland's model, based on the Holland's model. But the user will go ahead and learn more about this career of principal software engineer. Here's the landing page for their job site. And so they'll land here and they get to see a little bit more about this job in particular. And they get to build their skill set, build their resume, look at all these different links that lead to different things to explain what these are. They can build their network and things like that. And after they build their network, they get to apply. Now, this is all based on our empowerment, pillars of empowerment. And if they're a little confused about what this is, they can go ahead and press this question mark, and they can read this to get the most out of this site. And so again, it's the pillars of empowerment. And through this, they get to see kind of what these each mean. And also, if they want to go back to their dashboard, they can click on this account and click on dashboard. And this leads them to a filtered out web page after they answer everything, 96%, 85%, 71%. They can get their full results. They can retake the assessment if they want. But yeah, they also have access to build out their resume, which is right here. And they can enter their resume. This is pretty much its own generator. And if they want to add their work experience, they can click this. A pop-up will come up. And they can add different responsibilities that they've done in the past. And through that, they can go ahead and save and close. And it will have the job title here for them. They can go ahead and edit it if they want. But through this, they can select a different resume template that they like, and they can save, and then it will export that resume for them. So this is our website.